Welcome to the practice number 6. In this practice number 6, we will be modeling this piece in here. I will be showing you how to make the counter bore and countersink. Also a threaded hole in here with a chamfer and a chamfer in here, chamfer in here, a fillet in here. We will chamfer these also, and I will be showing you how to make these how to model the welding into the 3D model. And I will be speaking also a lot about the problems that you are going to face because of the fillet in here. So, and how to avoid them in the 3D model. So let's start. We have a plate in here, 55, 120, and 10. Let's go to Freecad, empty file, create body, create sketch, choose the plane, and from here center the rectangle, click to the center, and we said 120, 55, enter, right click, exit the tool, close it, pad it 10 millimeters. Okay, that's the first. Then we have a fillet in here, 45. Okay, click on here, and this is the one that's going to create a problem for us. Fillet 45. Okay, that's that. And now we will model this one, 10, this top plate, this plate in here, 10, 115, 45. Click on here, create a sketch, rectangle, 115, 10 millimeters, enter, right click, exit the tool. External geometry is needed in here. And now we can connect these two. See from the keyboard, fully constrained, close it, pad it, 45. Okay, then we have a chamfer and a chamfer. This chamfer is 8 by 8. This chamfer, the dimension is missing, is 40 by 40. Click on here, chamfer, 8 millimeters. Okay, click on here, chamfer, 40 millimeters. Okay, then let's go back. We have this piece in here from there to there, and the thickness is 10. Choose the plane that you want to create a sketch on. Create a sketch. I need external geometry in here. Also, I need external geometry in here. Right click, exit the tool. Here's my external geometry. Let's go back. Follow line from here. Choose this dot, this dot, this one, and close it. Right click, exit the tool. Fully constrained, close it. Here is our sketch. Now there are two ways you can do it. You can pad it now and move it, or you can move it and pad it. Now I will just move it and then pad it. From here, you have attachment. Click on the attachment. Sorry, data, attachment, and position. Click on the position, and you have Z axis in here. I will, let's put 10, see what happens. It moves this way, 10 millimeters. So I want it, how much? I want it from here to here, 45. If this is 10, it means that this direction is going to be negative. So negative 45, negative 45, and here. Now choose the sketch, pad it. 10 is okay, but it's in this direction, and I want it in the other direction. So from here, reversed. Okay, that's the model. And now let's make the holes first. And lastly, I will be doing the welding. So this one, counter bore hole. Let's go to here. This is the screw that's going to go onto that hole. Okay. Here is, this is a good site. You can read about the counter bore hole. Basically, this is the counter bore. This is the hole, and that's how the screw goes onto. Okay. And these are the sizes. Now we know that our screw is going to be 6 millimeters. And because it's M6, the pilot hole diameter normal fit is going to be 6.6. See, that's why we have 6.6. And the head, if I go to, where is it? Here, this K is the head height. For M6, K is 6. Now this is the head height is easy. It's the same. If you have an M4, the height is going to be 4. So because we have M6, the head height is 6 millimeters, and the DK head diameter from M6 DK, where's DK? It's going to be 10 maximum, 10 or 10.2, 22. So that's why in the drawing it is 11. Now, luckily, FreeCAD, I will show you. First thing, how to create this counter bore hole. Choose the plane, create a sketch. Okay. Now, draw a circle. There is the circle. You don't. Also, we need external geometry from here to here. And we need, the dimension is 15, 15. Okay, that's 15 and 50. This is the dimension. Now I don't know if this is necessary. You could basically restrict the diameter. This is not important right now because we are making a hole. Now, should you do it? I really don't know. I'm not going to do it. Here is our sketch. From here, you have the hole tool. Click on it. Choose the standard ISO metric regular profile. Okay. And then we are going to choose the M6, which is in here. And now, as you can see, the clearance, it asks if you have wide close standard. From from here, see, close fit, normal fit, close fit. FreeCAD has all these already in the program, so you don't need to think about them. Okay, we have all of these now. 6.6 is okay. Yes, everything else is okay. Clearance is standard, normal. So from here, hole cut type, counterbore, and it automatically knows to put 11 millimeters. Now the depth, we said we have an M6, which means that the head height is 6. Now here it's 6.4, so it's okay. Everything in here is okay. We will press OK. Now I don't know if you should restrict the diameter in this sketch. If you know, tell me in the comments. I don't have knowledge about that, but I'm not going to restrict it. I don't think it makes any difference. It doesn't make any difference in my opinion. But tell me if you know. Now let's go back. We have this hole in here, countersink hole, 22.4 and 11 millimeters. Okay. The diameter, click on here, create a sketch, circle again, right click, exit the tool, and let's see the dimensions. It's 45 and 25. Okay. External geometry, dimension 45 and 20, 25. And again, I'm not going to restrict the dimension of the hole. Close it. Here it is. Hole, isometric, and this one was, I think, M11. No, was it M11 or M10? I don't remember anymore. Let's see. M10, sorry. It was an M10 and M10. And as you can see, M10, the diameter is 11. So it's okay. And from here, you have a countersink. Click on the countersink. See, we have 22.4. If I go to this countersunk holes, this is the countersunk hole. You can see that if I have an M10, countersunk diameter is 22.73. I don't know. This is not accurate in my opinion. But from here you can see M10 and it should be 22.73. Now we have 22.4. I think this is okay. This is the correct one. So it is okay. Now we are going to press OK and that's done. Click on here. We need now, if we see the deck draw, we have this threaded hole with a chamfer and it's a 16 millimeter bolt, 16 millimeter M16. Click on it, create a sketch, circle again somewhere, and we need external geometry. Click on here, click on here. Then we will go see 24.5, 22, 24.5 on this one. This was 22. Okay, right click, exit the tool. Again, I'm not going to constrain the size of the hole. There is some kind of an error. I will try it. I will try it again. Close. Okay, it's fine. Now choose, we have the sketch, choose hole. Okay, isometric, M16 we said, and the clearance is standard. From here, threaded. 4G is the class. Okay, and now from the, if you click on this, you can model it, update the thread view. See, we have the threads. From here, you can choose which one you want the direction, right hand, left hand. And but this is unnecessary. It makes the file bigger, and also they don't need it in the when when the piece is manufactured. It's not needed. Just the information is needed. Okay. From here, we have a threaded hole. Everything is okay. We said M16, so the diameter is 14. Let's check from here. Now, I recommend that you go and watch this video, how to use our tap drill chart. Watch it from YouTube, it has good information. Also, this size, this site has some good information on these threaded dimensions. So we have a fine thread, which is M16 to 1.5. Okay, that's our thread. And as you can see, 14.5 is the tap drill diameter. So in Freecad, it automatically is going to give you the tap drill diameter. And now M16 fine profiles, M16 and 1.5. Choose. See, 14.5. And now everything is okay. Close it. From here, chamfer 1 millimeter is okay. And now we are in here. The last part is the fillets, these welding, how to model them in the Freecad. So click on here, or I will just go to the problem areas, and then I will show you how to do this. So If I click on here and I fill it 3 millimeters, there isn't going to be a problem. It's just going to look like this. Okay, that's not a problem. If I go here and I fill it, see, see what happens? I have a problem in the model. So I cannot do it this way. Close it. If I fill it this one, 3, again, I have a problem. So how to avoid this kind of problem? Now, what we have to do is we have to know why there is a problem. The problem is because of this fillet in here. I will go to the fillet, this one, I will double click on it. If I make this 40, now you see this moved a bit. So click OK. I will go back here and click on here and fill it. 3. It's okay, nothing happened. See, the model is still fine. Now if I model fill it from here, sorry, I'll click OK. And then if I add a fillet in here, 3, again, the model is going to be fine. I won't have a problem. But let's say I want to keep this as 45. What should I do? I want to keep this 45. That's okay. Let's go back. And now we're in here. I will delete this fillet. I just deleted it. Now I want to keep this 45, just like this. What should I do? The solution that I have found is first you need to delete this fillet because the first thing that you need to do, we need to chamfer it. We need to chamfer it. But if I chamfer it right now, see what happens? The model gets destroyed. Cancel. So choose the fillet. And I tried first that I tried to modify the size and do it by modifying the size. It doesn't work. You have to delete it. So choose the fillet and delete. Yes. Now the fillet is deleted. We will go back to here. And we are in this point. This is what it looks. We deleted the fillet. Now choose these two, hold control, chamfer them 1 millimeter. See what happens? It looks like this. This is the chamfer. Now when I'm going to fillet it, the fillet is going to be in here. So it's not going to affect this one and it's going to work. Same thing in here. In here, I have to make a fillet, but I will not do it right now. I will just make it like this. I will show you. Let's see. Let's learn by making mistakes. Click on here, fillet 45. See, the model didn't get destroyed. Okay, so why does this create a problem for me? Now, if I click on here and fillet this, let's try. 3 millimeters. Does it work? Well, it worked. There is no problem. Okay, it works. Everything is good. If it creates a problem for you, just click on here. Now I will go back. If this creates a problem for you, click on here, chamfer it, make a very small chamfer, 0.01. See, it's not even visible. And then make the fillet. Now, this is just in case it makes a problem, and it's going to look like this. But I will go back right now, and let's make the fillets in here. Now we shouldn't have any more problems. I will choose all of these and make a fillet, 3 millimeters. And now our model is ready. We didn't have any problems. And this is how you model this piece. Thanks for watching.